ServiceMaster Restore is
customer-oriented
restoration company.
Really friendly and really inclusive.
We restore lives.
That's the best place to work.
My family.
My life.
my favorite restoration company.
Whether it's flood, fire, we go in, get all their stuff fixed up from the fire that is salvageable, or the same thing with the flood, or all of those situations.
The most rewarding thing for me is the fact that I know I'm helping people in a time of need.
It's serving, it's caring, just restoring peace of mind.
You're coming to work because you have to. You're coming to work because you want to.
In this business, you kind of have to be ready for anything. A stage collapse at a massive music festival, our arena down the road flooding in several feet of water a month in advance of a final concert for the Tragically Hip. We've been in Parliament, we've been in the National Archives. Some of the places we've attended to are serious places. They needed our help, and we rose to the challenge, and we've done so tens of thousands of times. We serve our community by showing up when things are going wrong. If I was to really stop and reflect on what I'm most proud of, it's the team of people that we have right now in this moment.